Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including today the Lutema M95C. I wonder what the C is for. Maybe it's for small. We bought this guy on Amazon. It's really funny because look at this. Like, is that a kid? That looks like a kid. Looks like a kid to me. That's not a kid. Anyways, this says it's a small mask, but then it says face mask for adults, which is interesting. It's their version of the KN95. And I think we've tested the adult or the large before, so I'm excited to open this up and do it. These guys are made in the US. I know the founders pretty well. And one of the founders, Eddie, just had a kid recently, so, but too small for masks. They do all different colors. They're 5 layers. Let's get it in the clamper. And I think they're probably one of the biggest selling kids masks hey, there we go. I think they're one of the biggest selling kids masks on Amazon. What I like about them is that they're giving this KN95 style. They're giving this KN95 style, but they're not calling it a KN95 because they're not holding it to any standards. So when you see that, you're not like expecting to see any standards whatsoever. And I like that. I like that they're keeping things pretty honest. So these are all made in the US. Pretty good. I know they have like a robot on their line. They sent me a video where it like pulls the ear loops to make sure that they stay. That's good. I mean, if you pull a mask hard enough, if you push a man hard enough, he will crumble. I don't know. I was trying to do an action movie headline. Smell is almost non-existent. Yeah, I think any bad smell is coming from me, so we just won't talk about that. And let's bump over to this. Holy crap. 99.572. That's insane. Now, the airflow resistance is pretty high here. If I was holding this to a KN95 or an N95 standard, this number would need to be under 250, which it is. So it's passing that. Personally, for my kids, I want it closer to 100 pascals. Kids have a hard time keeping a mask on and breathing as it is. And so that's what I would look for. So it's really hard on the breathability, and I think there are probably better masks out there for that. But this has a really great seal, and look at that. I don't think I've seen a kid's mask with that high of a score before, 99.602. I'm trying to see if they're making any claims in their listing. No, they're just talking about their fabric and that they're an FDA-listed company. Not making any claims whatsoever, and they have over 10,000 customer ratings. Pretty good, pretty good. I think that this may be a safe bet if you have a kid. Personally, again, I would go with something that's a little bit more breathable, but that's me. You can't beat that filtration efficiency though, 99.612. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you on the next test.